I'm moving on. Hello, Hot Zai. Today I'm on my laptop because I want to show you some data and some statistics. So we are doing this Twitch style, streamer style video for today's Hot Zai video. So let's get right into it. Okay, AMO Residences OCR 99-year project sold 366 out of 372 units on day one. That's 98%, and that's damn crazy, lah, right? I've been waiting for URA to publish the transaction data so that I can show you the prices for each units and so on, lah, right? So I've downloaded this data here into Excel. So these are all real transaction data because URA keeps track of all the transactions. So it's not Hyung one. If you're interested, you can go and search URA transaction, type in the project allocation, then you can see the data for yourself, right? What I want to show you is this, right? The land. Okay, so AMO Residences land was bought in June 2021 for about 1,100 PSF. Working out for their construction and other costs, right? The estimated break-even is about $1,822. So I put the data into a pivot table, right? And you can see that at 2,100 uh, average sale price, their profit margin is about 16%, right? So moving on, I want to show you what's upcoming for our buyers by looking at the land that are sold in the later half of 2021 after AMO, which will probably launch later this year or early next year, right? So first we have Tengah Garden Walk Coupon Grand. It's an EC, right? Land at $600, estimated break even at 1,050. Putting in 16% profit, they should be launching this at about an average of 1,200 PSF. And I know that extrapolation is bad, right? It's not good, right? But that's the best way that we can estimate the launch price now, lah. When there are things for adjustments, I will let you know later, right? So I'm moving on again. This one, Tilang Gardens, name is wrong. Very small development, so I'll just skip this. Okay, next one is Bedok Point Sky Eden. Frasers did a DP top up and lease top up at Bedok Point because maybe their shopping mall not doing well, so they're going to redevelop this into a commercial plus residential project. So this price is wrong, but it's right beside Bedok MRT, so we have heard that they're going to launch this very close to AMO price, right? Now Robin, also very small development, so skip. Next one, walao, Lentor Central. This one I tell you, right, is all property agent favorite example to use to go and sell AMO, right? Because Goku Land bought this land for a crazy record price of 1,200 PSF at OCR. Break even is 1,933, and at 16% profit, they should sell at about 2,250 PSF. But this will be integrated in Lentor MRT together with 96,000 square feet of commercial space. So integrated projects usually will have some premium, so I think it will be hitting 2.3 or even 2.4, right? GoCo is bringing the modern series to Lentor. So if you have seen their Martin Modern or Midtown Modern, right, you know that it's very luxurious and very chill. So I've seen the show flat for myself, and yeah, like, it's really damn chill. You can message me if you want to see it also, right? Next one is another EC, Tampines, right? Break even 1,100. It was the most expensive EC site at that point of time. So estimated launch price about 1,003. And if you think EC is cheap, EC where got cheap, but the next one at Bukit Batok is already out, and the one is priced even higher, so yeah, you all can own self check own self, next one I have is Jalan Anak Bukit. I love this location. Break even $1,658. 16% profit should be about 2,000. Unfortunately, look at this. Far East organization. Okay, they are the champions in jacking up prices. So, and fortunately or unfortunately, also this project is going to be integrated with Beauty World. So together, all these premiums add up. I wouldn't be surprised if they launch it closer to 2.4, 2.5. So there are more, but I might cover this in the next video. If not, video too long, right? People don't like to watch one, right? So as you can see, there are a lot of upcoming projects in different locations, very promising for sure. But if you're one of the kind of people, right, want to wait for price to drop, right, it probably won't, because developers have already committed to this kind of land price. And I know that house price is very expensive now, but be assured that your price will be protected when these slightly more expensive ones come up, right? So advertisement time, Lantern Modern, Sky Eden, they have previews coming up in the next 2 weeks. So you can let me know if you want to see them. And finally, right, everybody want to ask me, hey bro, you got good deal or not? You got a good deal, tell me, then I buy. Right. So today I want to share one with you, right? Is CCR District 10, freehold, 2 bed, 2 bath units going about 1.8 plus to 1.9 mil. With a good layout lah. So it's about 15% more expensive than AMO's 99-year OCR product. So say I think this is a fairly good deal because freehold premium itself is already about 15%, right? Some more you get a better, more respectable location. So you can PM me if you want to know where this is as well. That's everything for today, and maybe next time we should do serial on Twitch. I don't know. Right. So see you for the next one.